Welcome to e-learning classes of Seth Chodilal Academy RAT, Class 6, Subject Science, Chapter 3, Chapter name is Fiber to Fabric. Children, we are going to start new topic. Topic name is Sources of Fibers. Today we will discuss about sources of fibers. On the base of origin, there are mainly two types of sources of fiber: natural fibers and synthetic fiber or human-made fiber. Some fibers we obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Some fibers we obtained from chemical, they are called synthetic fiber or human-made fiber, like as polyester, rayon, acrylic. Now next heading is natural fibers. Some fibers we obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Example: cotton, jute, coir and silk. Now next heading is synthetic fibers. Some fibers we obtained from chemicals, they are called synthetic fibers or human-made fibers. Example: nylon, polyester, acrylic. Now next heading is production of plant fibers. First heading is jute. Jute fibers we obtained from stem of jute plants. Jute plant which grow best in both sandy and clay soils. The major jute producing states in India are West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Jute is sown in the rainy season and harvested after 6 months when the plant start to flower. Now next heading is ratting. After harvesting, the stems are tied in bundles and soaked in water for 2-3 weeks. This process is called ratting. After completing the ratting, softened fibers are removed from stem by hand. The fibers are then washed under clean running water and hung up or spread out for drying. Jute fiber are used to make different things like as ropes, bags, carpet, doormat, ornamental toys, wall hanging and footwear. Now next plant fiber is coir. Coir fiber is obtained from the outer covering of coconut fruit. The outer covering of coconut is called husk. To obtain coir fibers, husk is removed from the coconut and soaked in water for up to 10 months. The softened husk is then beaten to get the coir fiber. The golden coir fibers are then spun into yarns. These yarns are used to make mats, floor covering, garden articles, aquarium filters and roofs. Now next plant fiber is cotton. Cotton is soft fiber obtained from the seed pods of the cotton plants. Cotton plants grow best in black soil and warm climate. Cotton seeds are planted in the spring season. When the plant matures, it starts flowering. Next, the flowers develop into seed pods called whorls. Now next heading is ginning. Ginning is a process to separate the cotton fibers from the seeds. Cotton is used to make different types of fabrics in modern time. We wear cotton cloths that are made up of cotton fiber. Cotton fiber is very useful for us. Thank you.